Hi class, I am here on this recording going to be talking to you about using Canva. So here we are in canva.com. We're going to be using Canva to create an infographic. And an infographic is a graphic format that allows you to share your message. And typically it has images and statistics and a lot of information on one kind of page, not a ton of text. So you get a lot of information. You get the message really quickly from the visual, from the infographic. So here I am on canva.com. You're going to want to sign in and create an account. You're going to create a free account for this. And when you come on in, they have all of these different templates for infographics. So I'm going to click on the infographic template, and all of this is done after you've selected your god or goddess, you've done your research, and now you're ready. You want to share this information in a cool way. So when you click on infographics, you're going to come to all of these different formats, and you want to think about the information that you have and which one of these is going to kind of best suit you and how you want to present the information you have about your god or goddess. So looking at some of these, this is nice. This has some headings, a little bit of text underneath. This one is more of a list, which could work well for you. This one has a nice little paragraph at the top and then statistics in the center. And so I think for our purposes so that I can just tonight can show this to you, I guess I will select this one, the future of the calendar. We'll just go with this for now. So this is handy. I just figured this out that you can zoom in on the infographic. So I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to start to work on this and change it so that it's the way that I like. So you click on a box and it's pretty easy to delete. So you can go over to the corner and press the trash can, but I'm going to keep this title. I'm going to keep this title box and I'm just going to change it to my god or goddess's name. I'm just going to go with Athena for this one. And so I might go in and say Athena, the goddess of wisdom and war. Okay, so I have that. And then this text box, I don't really need it. So I'm going to come in, I'm going to delete that. Okay, and actually, so far I kind of like the impact of this, that the words are large in the black background. So I could come in here and give a brief overview of who Athena is and what her story is. So I have all of this space to type in my information. And just a great reminder is that your research, you've done the research and now you're going to work on putting that into your own words. So all of this should be in your own words coming from the work that you did in your research. Okay. And then all of the information that I found, I'm going to somehow put it into these boxes here. And maybe, you don't have to have numbers here. Maybe you just have, instead, you're saying what Athena's symbol is. And you see how this is, the text is a little bit too big. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to take it down to maybe 14, see if that works. Yeah, that works for me. I might want to make that a little bit larger. Okay, and that looks good, and I can move the box around really easily. And then I would just describe what her symbol is. So another thing to note is that when you click on the box, on the background, there's a way to change the background color. So when you click on the box, here's the color wheel over here, and you can go in and click your color to change it up. And I like the way that the black looked, so I'm going to keep that. But in addition, you can also go in and you can change the text color. Okay, I kind of like that. That looks good. And so there are a lot of fun possibilities with this. um, Also, you can go and you can search images. And I found some awesome images of gods and goddesses. Let me just type in Athena. The only thing that is unfortunate is that a lot of them do cost money. And the last thing that I want you guys to do is to spend any money on this. It should be, we're just going to use the free images. So here is a nice image of Athena, and I don't know who she's standing there with, but I might even just, oh, that's cool. I just moved it on there, and actually that became my background. So that even looks pretty good. And so I hope that you guys have fun with using this as a platform for sharing information. I know that what you guys create are going to be beautiful. And when we finally go to publish these, you are going to share it with me. So it can be public or not public. You're going to share it with me, and you'll just share it, getting a link, or you could even just add my email address. But actually, I'm going to have you share the link, and I'm going to copy it, or I could just press this button, copy it, and then you will post it to the assignment on Google Classroom. So happy infographing and looking forward to what you guys create.